Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to post text, images, and videos on X. Whether you are new to X or just want a refresher, this tutorial is simple, beginner-friendly, and safe. First of all, launch the X app open on your mobile device. Make sure that you're logged into the account, and once logged in, from the home screen, look for the blue plus button at the bottom right corner and tap on it. Now on the next page, if you want to post text, type in your message in the text box. Go ahead and type in your text. After you type in your text, if you want to add image, then you can go ahead and tap on the thumbnail icon at the bottom left. This will take you to your device's camera roll from where you can select a picture you want to upload. After selecting a picture, you can then click on add at the top right. And you have your image uploaded. If you want to add a video, you can also do that by tapping on the same thumbnail icon at the bottom left and then select a video from your device's camera roll. You can then edit the video, select how long you want to keep it by dragging the little slider at the bottom over here. You can make further edits or trim your video according to your preference, and after you do that, click on add at the top right corner to add the video on your post. You can also add GIFs, tag people to increase visibility, and once ready, you can tap on post at the top right corner. After you do that, your text, image, or video will instantly appear on your profile and feed. And that's it. You've just learned how to post a text, image, and videos on X application. If you found the video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.